Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes.
Good morning, lovely people. Good morning to you. How's everybody doing? Happy Vlogtober 24th. Welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm counting down like y'all. I ain't gonna lie, this is really, and whoever's on here that has a channel and you're doing Vlogtober, it is a burnout. Well, not in a bad way, but it's just still, it's like so much that you gotta do. But I'm just learning to, if you're gonna do this, just really vlog like times out your day what you're doing. So at this time of day, I would really be sitting here drinking my tea or my coffee. So I hope you guys got your tea and your coffee. I will not be before you long. I'm gonna take you guys along my day today because I'm really not gonna do anything. I'm gonna go to the park. Before it does say it's going to rain soon, so I'm trying to at least, even if I can do a half a mile, I'm going to get some footage of the trees and stuff. And then after that, once I come home, I got to make some other runs too, but once I come home, I'm going to show you guys clips of everything. And I really appreciate you guys, like really, I really appreciate your lovely comments. I say that all the time lately, but the overwhelming acknowledging people's gifts and talents, I guess I should say. So yeah, I'm really loving the pieces in the bedroom. They meet my greatest expectation. Like, you know how you have a vision for something and you can see it, but you're still thinking back in your mind like, no, I don't think I should do this because it might not go right, it might not flow right, even though you're thinking it. But I just always feel like if God puts something on your heart, you got to follow through. So that's what I want to say right now for tea time. If God puts something on your heart, guys, you need to follow suit. A lot of you told me yesterday that my tea time was for you, and most of the time the tea time is for me. I'm just sharing in whatever God puts on my heart. How am I led by the Spirit? So even though you might second guess yourself and think, oh, this might not look right or this not going to be right, don't do that. Just go what you're thinking. What you're thinking at that moment. We're not talking about bad stuff. We're talking about good thoughts. And you might be second guessing yourself because you're feeling like, oh, this might not work out. Oh, I don't want to be looking stupid, or it's going to look stupid. It shouldn't matter because those are your thoughts that He gave you. So matter what it is, follow your gut. Okay? Follow your first mind, your first thought. Don't listen to that little thing back there because sometimes that little thing ain't right. It ain't for us either. That's my tea time for y'all today. I'm making a mess over here. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to run out of here. I'm just loving my backsplash, y'all. I'm going to go get the other pieces because I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But yeah, I'm going to do that. Maybe if I go to Dollar Tree, I'll take you guys along. I don't know. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to go for my walk, come back, and I'm going to show you the pieces in the bedroom, y'all. Absolutely love it. Absolutely enjoying this kitchen. Oh, let me show you guys real quick where I put the see where I hit. Y'all see down? Can y'all see? I put the eat sign right here. So I'll show you guys what I did with the the eucalyptus. And I love where I put it because it's like it smells good back there. But yeah, let me know what you think about the eat sign. Y'all know it was there already before, right? Okay, I'm just trying to see if y'all following through. Hold the line, please. So yes, guys, this is where she put the eucalyptus. See what I'm saying? I had to add some little burl. I had to find some in the bin in my little stash. But that's what it looks like back here. And I just love it. I absolutely love that, along with everything else. Right there, it's just so simple, minimalist. If you guys are wondering, outfit of the day. What you got to say? She had to put a shirt up under here, y'all, because honey, this is already lower kind of. I had to put a V-neck because you can see through this. I ain't trying to give nobody no thoughts or anything, but this is outfit of the day, and I will be wearing my Uggs down there. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys later on. Okay, guys, she's back for a hot second. I don't know if I told you what I was drinking. Got this is turmeric tea. It's what's on the menu today. But guys, it's starting already. I'm just now pulling out the driveway. Y'all, I don't be right. I know the older you get, it probably get worse. You know, people are so into what they're used to doing, and when they don't get to do it, they're like thinking they're gonna like lose all control or it's the last day. But I'm serious. Look, your girl likes to work out, okay? That's a part of her lifestyle. I'm not about that. I don't want to be sluggish, okay? So it is sprinkling, y'all. So what I think I'm gonna do, depending on how many people are up here, or if there's anybody up here, I might get a thumbnail. I might do that. I might get a thumbnail, walk up the steps and back, and try to show you guys a little bit, because I do have on my hat and my jacket. And I don't know, that might be cool enough that we can get something, some type of footage. But in the meanwhile, hold the line, please. Y'all hold the line, okay? Thank you. Y'all, they got more, but I was trying to show y'all last time. I just need 3 of these. But one time they had the subway towel. I'm trying to show y'all. Somebody even got them all. They had the white subway towel. So gonna get them 3 that we need. Y'all. See, just that simple. Was she out? She out that quick. But they got all the llama stuff here. They even got these. They're just stocked up. This place is stocked. They even got them down here. So what I did was I got 2. So I got 2 of the Chipotle bowls. I got 2 of those. Now we out. We got everything. We got our towels, and it's time to go. Bye, y'all. Yeah, guys, last time I showed y'all another store that was scarce. Now this one is not like really close to my home, but it was well worth it because they was running out of towels, so they didn't even have any more. I was going to show y'all the white what are they called, subway towels. They didn't have any more of them, but so I got some haven't had any garlic powder in a long time, so I got garlic powder, nice size, and I got 2 things of this Life water. And then I got 2 of the Chipotle bowls. So what I'm gonna do on my other channel, I'll probably just cook it and show you guys. But guys, it's raining outside, and I'm about to take advantage of this rain because people need rides today, okay? So I'm gonna try to do me like 2 rides, go home, show you guys the furniture, okay? And then I'll see you guys momentarily, all right? All right, y'all guys, I'm back. So I'm just here chilling, relaxing, trying to get my, I'm kind of sleepy though. So after I do this video, that's gonna be it for me today, y'all. But I'm eating these hickory smoke flavored almonds from all these guys. These are so good, so good. Like if they have some, they have another flavor too, but I couldn't find it. That was more for towards fall, but this is fall for me too. This is what these are really good. Hickory smoke almonds from all these. You just so I'm gonna turn the camera around, guys, and I'm just going to show you the pieces of furniture because there are some things. I'm going to just show you the pieces that I did revamp. I'm not going to do a whole bedroom tour yet for the simple fact I want to get me a beautiful comforter that's gorgeous that goes with the room. And I also want to get, there's a corner in there. I'm going to show you guys. There's a corner in there that I want to do something to. And I think I might have something in here that I can add to that corner. So in this video, I want y'all to let me know, what do y'all think it is that's in this family room that I can add to that corner? So without further ado, y'all ready to get into what the furniture looks like? Stay tuned. Guys, so this is the first nightstand on his side. So this is what I meant by putting the felts on here, because it makes it easy to maneuver, and it just slides across the furniture, even with the candle. And guys, look at that, so pretty. Easy out and close. But guys, this is what I was saying about keeping the wood grain and the wood color inside. It looks so pretty, y'all. That is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So let me show you the next one. Sorry guys, it's too bright. Let me show you the next one. Isn't that beautiful? Do y'all see how the gold reflects off of there? Now here's my beautiful side. So what I decided to do was put my diffuser down here. But guys, that gold is everything. And the same thing for here. Easy access to sliding. Look at that. No problem, leaves no mess, no residue or anything. Beautiful. Got my children's picture in there framed in gold. You probably seen this in the hallway. Guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So like I said, the mirror here had got lowered. So I don't know if you can tell. It is lowered a lot. I can do a lot of more things over here when I'm talking to you guys. Look at that. That is how that piece of decor came out. Absolutely beautiful. Guys, look at that. Woo-hoo-wee, she's slick, y'all. She's slick. And here is the beautiful thing that you guys, some of you guys figured it out. Chirpy Chick, you knew exactly. And one other person. So yes, I spray painted the legs gold to just make it look and stand out more. So yeah, guys, that's it. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed everything. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Like I said, this blank wall here, there was a TV on it. I don't know if I'm gonna ever do anything with that wall. I really like the space, y'all. This room is really big, and most of the time we always like put stuff everywhere, and I think we have to fill up every corner, but we really don't. And I want to keep the room minimalist, but however, y'all, it just looks so masculine now and chic and girly too at the same time. But I absolutely love it. So yeah. Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. Right here, this is the corner where I actually want to put something. So yeah, we will decide. I will see you guys in the next video. Always remember, love yourself so that you can love others, so this world be a much better place. Bye, y'all. See you in the next one.